Hello YouTube. I don't know what to say here. We're gonna go like this. First things first. Earlier this week, this one generator, my power supply for what I do out here, decided I'm tired. I'm not working anymore. I took the end cap off of it, looking around. I tried to blow it out a little bit, this and that. I tried a few things to try to see what was wrong, and I didn't see anything that's obvious. The motor runs. It's not the motor that went. It just stopped making electric. Okay? So, when it stopped, it picked up a little bit of speed. Not like blow up kind of a deal, overspeed. Like I'm not doing nothing anymore, and that was kind of odd to me. I was in the middle of using it for a drill. I was in the middle of something. I checked all the, what do you call them, the resets, and I looked online a little bit, something about a fuse that could have went. This panel does not have a fuse. I'm not into repairing this unit, honestly. As you see, this has been abused prior. That was like that when I got a hold of it. Okay? This here never worked. It's fine. It didn't matter. This isn't worth much, really. It's a 5500. Yeah, constant run. It's okay. It does what it needed to do, I guess. As far as I can find, I think there's a transistor or ballast or something like that. One of these could be bad. There's something else further back that could be no good. I gave all these things a shake and this and that, and it's under this cover right here. I don't know. I couldn't find nothing, so that's that. Okay? So, we have a motor that works. It needs an oil change. No problem. Okay. It's temperamental, but it works. So, what I'm thinking, this one here isn't ready. I tried playing with it. I can't get it right at this time. It works. It's good for some things, but it doesn't have the capability that other one does. It runs. It's not ready. Single phase. Heavy enough. It would be nice if it had the 220, but it don't. It's strictly 120. It's a heavier unit. It's great for some things. It's not set up yet. I don't know where this is going to go. We're not full with this right now. You've seen this in other videos. So we're making headway, but I have to start kind of what's important for the tail end of what's coming up to be this season. Okay, because I have things to finish up. I need power back here. I'm too far away from the house to pull a line out. I'm like 400 feet or better. And all that line, this and that, that's not going to work either. So, So, what I did, after looking and looking and looking and looking and looking, about 3 days, to figure out what to do, I picked this guy up. Okay? It's a Predator generator. Picked it up out of a junk pile. I'm good for this stuff. Okay? It's a pretty decent sized unit. And I brought it in, and this is my finding. Okay. I pulled the spark plug out of it. First things first. I found that. That was after I noticed the spark plug was hard to come out. I'm thinking, uh-oh, this isn't good. I pulled that out. This was still on it. I figured, well, you know what, just by chance, the spark plug was tying it up. I put a little pull on it, nothing. Alright, so I took these 3 screws out, removed this, and I did just this. Okay, well, that says, broken connecting rod. Well, I'm immediately thinking, okay, piston's probably damaged. No, we have a busted connecting rod. So I went back online. I can get parts for it. A little harder to find because this item number. This item number is the model number. Okay? It's a 63086. I did find the parts, but I am in a little bit too big of a hurry. So I'm looking things over. I did find the parts, but it's going to take some time to get them, this, that, and the other. I'm trying to move as quick as I can here. So, and we still have to look it over before I get the parts and see if other internal damage. Is the block destroyed from snapping the rod? We have that yet to be determined. So I'm also looking at this thing, the unit itself. As far as the unit itself, I don't think I lost. Might need a motor, might just need some parts, I don't know. But I feel the unit itself works, and if you happen to look, you can't, it's all caged. Now, if you can see in there, I don't know if you can or not, but from what I think I observed, this thing doesn't have much use on it. There hasn't been much heat to even burn off or discolor the muffler. Okay, I see that's a pretty good sign. So, what I'm thinking here, God, climbing around this and that, I got to get this off of here. I have to figure out how I'm going to set it up, start working on it. I think what I'm going to do is work on this one first, because this one here doesn't matter. Learn from this one to work on that one. Yeah, you heard it. I think you heard it. I'm going to see if I can put this motor from a generac, okay, onto the Predator generator right there. That's going to be the project to see if it's going to work. If it does, it will get me by. I knew the motor was tired. It might work for a while. meantime, I'll get this other engine prepared for what I'm going to do and come up with more of a long-term fix. I think I got a winner back there, honestly. So that's going to be this chapter. I don't know what I'm going to name this yet. Alright, so for the time being, that is going to be this series. This was not planned for at all, but it is what it is. In order to do anything, in order to function, this is how I got to do things. Everything is put on hold because of this. So, I hope you intend on viewing this little series. For the time being, thanks for looking. mchl8 /youtube.com. Thumbs up. Watch my videos. Maybe comment. I have a free channel here. I'll talk a little more about that in another video. I can't give you a rundown. I'm going to mess up this little series. So, see ya. Thanks for looking.